Number 1. 1967 GMC C10 Truck, $5,000, Olalla, Washington. This 1967 GMC C10 is a classic, 3-on-the-tree inline-6 truck with strong originality and a true barn-find appeal. With a manual transmission and what may be original mileage, it represents a solid survivor from the desirable late 1960s era. The body appears largely rust-free aside from a minor spot, which is impressive for its age. The missing wood bed slats are a minor cosmetic issue. Overall, this is a straightforward vintage driver with excellent restoration potential and classic simplicity. Number 2. 1986 Nissan King Cab 4x4, $1,200, Calistoga, California. A very affordable 1986 Nissan King Cab 4x4 that offers solid off-road capability despite its mechanical needs. The engine runs but requires a timing chain replacement, which is a common repair on these durable 4-cylinder engines. With functioning 4-wheel drive, new tires, and recent maintenance items, it has a good foundation. These compact trucks are known for reliability and ease of repair, making this a worthwhile budget project. Number 3. 1989 Ford F-150 Extended Cab 4x4 Long Bed, $2,999, Bremerton, Washington. This 1989 Ford F-150 Extended Cab offers a practical combination of space and capability. Powered by a 5.8-liter fuel-injected V8 and automatic transmission, it runs and drives well. The extended cab and long bed configuration make it ideal for work or hauling. While mileage has rolled over, these trucks are known for durability. It is a solid, usable classic with everyday functionality at a reasonable price. Number 4. 1986 Nissan Pickup, $4,500, Santa Monica, California. A clean and mostly original 1986 Nissan Pickup that remains a dependable daily driver. Equipped with a manual transmission and a reliable 4-cylinder engine, it reflects the durability these trucks are known for. While it needs minor attention, it runs and drives normally. Compact Japanese pickups from this era are increasingly collectible for their simplicity and longevity, making this a practical and efficient classic. Number 5. 1952 GMC Grain Dump Truck, $1,600, Tucson, Arizona. This 1952 GMC Grain Dump Truck is a rare and well-preserved heavy-duty classic with remarkable originality. Featuring a straight body, original paint, and no rust, it has been stored since 1976 and retains excellent structural integrity. The dual rear wheels and functional dump bed highlight its agricultural roots. With a running V8 engine and solid wood bed, this truck is ideal for collectors seeking authentic patina or a vintage workhorse with historical value. Number 6. 1974 Chevrolet C10, $6,500, Olivehurst, California. An original short bed, 1974 Chevrolet C10 project with desirable pre-emission status and classic styling. Equipped with an inline-6 engine and a turbo 350 automatic transmission, it currently cranks but is not yet road ready. Included parts, such as a lowering kit and replacement panels, add value. This truck offers strong potential for a custom build, especially given the popularity of lowered square body trucks. Number 7, 1995 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, $700, Sparta, Wisconsin. Primarily a parts truck, this 1995 Chevrolet 2500 has significant frame rust and is not running. However, the engine and transmission were functional when parked, which may still hold value. With a clean title and complete drivetrain, it is best suited for parts harvesting or as a donor vehicle. At this price, it offers minimal risk for someone needing components. Number 8, 1973 Ford F-250 Camper Special XLT, $6,500, Long Beach, California. This 1973 Ford F-250 Camper Special XLT is a classic heavy-duty platform with a seized 390 V8 engine. The presence of a C6 automatic transmission, new fuel tank, and original camper shell adds value. While it requires a full engine rebuild, these trucks are highly regarded for their ruggedness and towing capability. It is a solid restoration candidate with good long-term potential. Number 9, 1978 Dodge 4x4 short bed pickup, $10,000, Snowflake, Arizona. A desirable short bed 1978 Dodge 4x4 that represents the golden era of rugged American trucks. Powered by a 318 V8, it offers strong off-road capability and classic styling. Although it has not run in several years, it remains a solid survivor with a clean title. Short bed four-wheel drive trucks from this era are increasingly rare, making this a valuable restoration project. Number 10, 1971 Chevrolet C10 pickup, $7,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1971 Chevrolet C10 stands out with its original patina and largely factory configuration. Powered by a 350 V8 with automatic transmission and power steering, it offers a balance of originality and usability. The clean glass, new tires, and classic styling enhance its appeal. Patina trucks are highly sought after in today's market, and this example provides an authentic vintage look with solid mechanical foundations. Number 11, 1958 GMC Big Window Pickup, $13,500, Phoenix, Arizona, located near Albuquerque, New Mexico. A rare 1958 GMC Big Window short bed featuring a strong running V8 and original Hydromatic automatic transmission. The Big Window design is highly desirable among collectors due to its improved visibility and unique styling. This desert truck appears solid and straight with minimal rust. While it needs mechanical sorting to be roadworthy, it represents a valuable and increasingly collectible classic. Number 12. 1975 Chevrolet GMC Grand Sierra 4x4 short bed, 6,250 Phoenix, Arizona. This 1975 Grand Sierra 4x4 short bed is a desirable configuration with a 350 V8 and automatic transmission, equipped with power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and cruise control. It was well optioned for its time. The engine runs rough and the bed requires repair, but the included parts truck adds value. Square body four-wheel drive trucks remain highly popular, making this a strong project candidate. Number 13. 1988 Chevrolet CK2500 7000, Seattle, Washington. A well-maintained 1988 Chevrolet CK2500 with four-wheel drive and a long bed configuration. Despite higher actual mileage, the condition suggests careful ownership. Features such as power windows, locks, and a matching canopy enhance usability. These trucks are known for their durability and ease of maintenance. With only minor interior and radio issues, this is a solid, ready-to-drive classic truck, suitable for daily use or light work.